Hello students, welcome to our today's class. In the today's class we are going to focus on the one important model in electrochemistry. So first of all we have to take that given data, after that we can solve. So given data 0.2 Faraday charge is passed in 1 liter solution containing 0.1 molar Fe plus 3 ions. How many moles of ion get deposited at cathode? Okay, so that's a given data and they're asking how many moles of Fe get deposited at cathode. First of all, I am taking E naught values here. So E naught value of first one I am writing in terms of reduction, that is Fe plus 3 plus 1 electron gives Fe plus 2 and E naught value is 0.77 volts. Next, after this first E naught value you have to write the second one. Second one also I am writing in terms of reduction. Okay, so that is Fe plus 2 electrons gives Fe and E naught value is minus 0.44 volts. If you see these two expressions of reduction process, E naught value is higher for first one. That's why first reaction takes place faster. And first reaction takes place faster when compared to second one. So that's what I am taking the first reaction. Fe plus 3 plus 1 electron gives Fe plus 2. After writing this equation, I am going to take the given data in the equation, in the question. So now 0.2 Faraday charge means that's nothing but electrons. That's why here 0.2 and Fe plus 2 is how many moles given 0.1. So initially Fe plus 2 is formed 0. After some time, here you see in this which is limiting reagent, Fe plus 3 is the limiting reagent. Okay, so that's why Fe plus 3 totally consumed and it would be converted as like Fe plus 2 and excess reagent are electrons. That means you have to have a clarity. The remaining quantities in the solution you have to see. Fe plus 2 is 0.1 is formed in the above equation and how much charge remains, that is electrons remain 0.1. Those two values I am taking in the equation 2. So I have written here already equation 2. So same data I am taking here. So now initially Fe is 0. Okay, after t time, here very important, which is limiting reagent, you have to have an point idea. So limiting reagent here is electron, charge is limiting reagent. How can I say? Because 1 mole of Fe plus 2 needs 2 moles. But in the given actually 0.1 equally is not possible. So that's why which is limiting reagent means electrons limiting reagent. That means that's totally consumed. Electrons totally consumed and Fe plus 2 will remain some quantity. The remaining quantity is exactly formed in terms of Fe. So therefore 0.1 by 2 remains Fe plus 2 and 0.1 by 2 Fe is formed. Okay, so answer for this is 0.05 moles formed Fe. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye. We will meet in another session.